Welcome to Peaceful Landing, a stunning 15-acre ranch just 2 miles from downtown Cle Elum, Washington. Surrounded by the breathtaking Cascade Mountains, this spacious home is perfect for those needing temporary housing during an insurance claim. As you approach, you'll be greeted by a beautiful driveway leading to a 100-plus square foot house that can comfortably accommodate up to 20 guests. Step inside to find a welcoming living room filled with natural light. The family room is a hub of entertainment, featuring a billiards table, foosball, a PS4, and a Bose home theater system, perfect for family game nights or movie marathons. The well-equipped kitchen is a culinary delight, complete with modern appliances, ample cookware, and a barbecue setup. Whether you're brewing coffee or preparing a feast, you'll find everything you need right here. For those who need to work, there's a dedicated office space with room for up to 3 people, complete with additional monitors for your convenience. The home features 5 comfortable bedrooms, each with extra blankets and pillows. There are 3 full bathrooms and 2 half baths stocked with essentials like shampoo, conditioner, and hair dryers. Families will appreciate the kids' playroom, equipped with toys and a TV, plus 2 sofa beds for extra sleeping space. Step outside to enjoy the expansive grounds, perfect for outdoor activities. Don't miss the hot tub, which accommodates 6 people. Just remember to put the cover back after use. Your safety is a priority here, with a ring monitoring system in place to ensure peace of mind during your stay. At Peaceful Landing, you'll find a comforting retreat amidst the chaos of life. Thank you for considering this beautiful home for your temporary housing needs.